Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of sifting through endless blue links on Google trying to piece together an answer? Do you ever wish you could just ask a question and get a straight, well-sourced answer, like you're talking to a super smart research assistant? Well, what if I told you that future is already here? Today we're diving deep into a tool that's completely changing how I find information online. It's called Perplexity AI, and trust me, by the end of this video, you might just be rethinking your relationship with traditional search engines. So, what exactly is Perplexity AI? At its core, Perplexity is an answer engine. Think of it as a hybrid between a conversational AI chatbot, like ChatGPT, and a powerful search engine like Google. But instead of just giving you a list of websites to look through, Perplexity reads them for you, synthesizes the information, and gives you a direct, concise answer, complete with citations. It's like having a team of researchers at your fingertips, 24/7. It was founded by a brilliant team with experience from places like Google AI, Meta, and OpenAI, so it's built on some serious expertise. Their goal wasn't just to create another chatbot, but to fundamentally improve how we access knowledge. Now, you might be thinking, okay, that sounds cool, but how is it different from ChatGPT or Google Bard? That's the million-dollar question, and the answer lies in its focus on accuracy and sources. When you ask a standard chatbot a question, it generates an answer based on its training data. It's incredibly creative, but sometimes it can make things up. This is what we call hallucination. Perplexity tackles this head-on. Its primary function is to search the live web in real time. After you ask a question, it scours the internet, finds the most relevant articles, papers, and data, and then constructs an answer based only on that information. The best part? It shows you its work. Right alongside the answer, you'll see little numbered citations. You can click on any of them to go directly to the source article so you can verify the information yourself. This commitment to transparency is a game changer for anyone who needs reliable, verifiable answers, whether you're a student, a professional, or just a curious mind. Let's walk through a real example. Imagine you're a student writing a paper on the economic impact of renewable energy. If you type that into Google, you get millions of results. News articles, academic papers, government reports, opinion pieces. You'd have to open dozens of tabs and spend hours piecing it all together. Now let's ask Perplexity. We type in, what is the current economic impact of the renewable energy sector in Europe? Perplexity will think for a moment and then present a detailed summary. It might say something like, the renewable energy sector in Europe has created over 1.3 million jobs, with the wind and solar industries being the largest contributors. According to a report from the International Renewable Energy Agency, investment in the sector reached over 80 billion euros last year, and so on. Right there, you'll see citations linking to that IRENA report, a recent Forbes article, and maybe a study from a European Commission. You get the summary and the proof, all in one clean interface. It's not just faster, it's a more efficient way to learn and build confidence in your knowledge. But Perplexity doesn't stop there. It has a feature called Focus that lets you tailor your search. You can choose to focus your search on academic papers, which is a lifesaver for students and researchers. You can focus on YouTube to get summaries of video content, on Reddit for public opinion and niche community discussions, or on writing mode, where it helps you generate text without searching the web. This level of control means you get more relevant results, faster. Let's say you're trying to fix a leaky faucet. A standard web search will give you a mix of blogs, professional plumber services, and hardware store ads. With Perplexity, you could set the focus to YouTube and ask, how do I fix a leaky compression faucet? It would find the most helpful video tutorials and summarize the steps for you. It's incredibly practical. Now let's talk about the Pro version. While the free version of Perplexity is already incredibly powerful, Perplexity Pro takes it to another level. One of the biggest perks is that you get access to more advanced AI models, including GPT-4 and Claude 3. This means your answers can be even more nuanced, detailed, and human-like. You also get a much higher limit on Copilot usage. Copilot is Perplexity's interactive AI assistant. When you activate it, it asks you clarifying questions to better understand your query, leading to a much more personalized and accurate final answer. It's like having a conversation with a research expert who guides you toward the perfect query. Pro users can use Copilot hundreds of times a day. Another fantastic pro feature is file uploads. You can upload PDFs, text files, or even entire research papers and ask Perplexity questions about them. Imagine uploading a dense 50-page scientific study and asking, "What are the key findings and methodology of this paper?" Perplexity will read it and give you a perfect summary in seconds. This is an absolute game changer for students, lawyers, doctors, and anyone who deals with large documents. You can also generate images using models like DALL-E 3, which is a fun and useful addition for creating presentations or just visualizing ideas. For about $20 a month, the Pro version transforms Perplexity from a great search tool into a comprehensive, all-in-one knowledge and productivity platform. So, who is this for? Honestly, almost everyone. For students, it's an ethical research superpower. It helps you find sources, understand complex topics, and check your facts without doing the writing for you. For professionals, marketers, analysts, developers, writers, it's a way to stay on top of industry trends, analyze data, and generate ideas backed by real-time information. For the endlessly curious, it's a rabbit hole of discovery. You can ask it anything from "explain quantum computing like I'm 5" to "what's the best hiking trail near me?" and get a clear-sourced answer. It respects your time by delivering knowledge, not just links. Of course, no tool is perfect. While Perplexity is fantastic at synthesizing existing information, it's not designed for highly creative or original brainstorming in the same way a pure-play chatbot might be. Its strength is in facts and data from the web. Also, while the free version is generous, heavy users will definitely want to consider the Pro plan to unlock its full potential. But in my opinion, these are minor trade-offs for the immense value it provides. It's a tool that empowers you to be smarter and more efficient. In conclusion, Perplexity AI represents a significant step forward in our quest for information. It bridges the gap between the vast, chaotic library of the Internet and our simple need for clear, trustworthy answers. By prioritizing accuracy, citing its sources, and offering a clean, user-friendly interface, it's not just an alternative to Google. For many tasks, it's a superior solution. It saves you time, reduces frustration, and increases your confidence in the information you consume. I strongly encourage you to give it a try. Go to Perplexity AI and ask it a few questions you'd normally Google. Experience the difference for yourself. I have a feeling you'll be impressed. I've been using it daily for my own research, and it has genuinely streamlined my workflow. Thanks so much for watching today. I hope this deep dive into Perplexity AI was helpful for you. If you have any questions or want to share your own experience with it, please drop a comment down below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you enjoyed this video and want more content on tools that can make you more productive, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us out. Until next time, stay curious,